on this episode of the VR-4.
Mitsu gang?
What's going on, guys? Finally, the head is done, and I have to go pick up from the machine shop, and we are here. So I'm gonna go there and see what they say. Okay, guys. Guess these are. Yep, and it's been all right. Yep. These are bent too. Well, looks pretty nice. Looks all good now. Everything's brand new. Got all my stuff in here still. Yep. Let's take her home, guys. Put her back together. Alright, guys, what's going on? So, I got the new head from the machine shop. All of the things in here. And you can see I do have more bent valves. Not as much as last time, but they are bent. So, take this off and then start putting all of the other components in here and make sure everything's on here good and tight and to the right spec. So I'll put this to the side. Bolts. Big cam. Yep, these are the big cam bolts. Or bigger cam cap bolts. Okay. And those, I'm gonna take this rest of this tape off of here, and then I will start probably trying to put the cams in with the new ones that I have as well. So I already got one cam in here, and this is the new one that I got. It's looking pretty good. This one have the end on there and that one doesn't. What is that all about? Yeah, because that one has it as well. So I don't want to deal with that problem. Oh, this must be for the back. So they are specific. They are specific to each one. I don't like that. That's scoring. Can't use that one. Gotta just use these ones then. Which is fine. Just gonna use these anyways. this is confusing me. Okay. Yeah, and that other one didn't have. That thing on there. Okay, so I got that on there. I'm gonna turn it back around because this is the exhaust side. Alright, so this is what it looks like while it's in the car. Got that movement. I can probably put the caps on. Remember, I labeled them. Push this up some. It's 5, 6, 3, 7, 2. 8. Maybe this one. That's 8. Zero. Yeah. Where'd that seal go? You gotta make sure the seal's in there. If the seal's not in there, oil will be shooting the crap out of here. So I gotta find that seal, or I gotta go back over there and get the other seal. Cause I don't know why it's not in here now. It's not in any of these bags. It should have been in this bag. And it's not in that box anywhere. So, Eston, make sure I go get this seal because oil will be shooting out here. So we got that 101, 2, 3. VR-4. Six, 7, 8. And those seals are in there. I made sure. Again, I have to go get this seal. Alright, so this bag. Rockers, lifters, spark plugs, head studs, bigger cam cap bolts. Just gonna hand tighten them, make sure I got everything in there, and then I'm gonna go through again with the torque wrench and torque it to spec. I'm just gonna hand tighten these for now. Make sure all of them are fine. Two more. Okay. Last one. Okay. Now, smaller cam caps. Just destroying this bag. Okay. I think this bolt is stripped because it has that lip right there. So I need. gotta be in an exact spot or it's not gonna work. Same thing with this one. I might need to get a new bolt for this because it's not going any lower than that. So all of these are tightened down, hand tightened all the way down, so I have no issues there. They just need to be torqued down to the right spec. Cool. Got all these in here. Again, I gotta put this back in here. I can technically drop in my lifters. Let's do that. All right, there we go. So, all we have left is the rocker arms, which go over the lifters. I'm gonna have to locate the other 6 up here because I have just the bottom row. And I'll have Randy help me with that. The spark plugs, which go in between here. One is over still at Randy's house. And the head studs. I'm just gonna put the new ones in just because I don't want no problems. And if everything's brand new, I shouldn't have any issues. Again, these did good last time. They shouldn't do any problem other than he didn't torque them down. I'm gonna torque them down this time to the right spec and make sure everything is good. Other than that, only thing I need to do is get another bolt for this one to put right here because this one's acting funny. And then I can take it back over to Randy's, put the exhaust, turbo exhaust on here, and then attach that on there, and then I can be able to put the head back on here, no problem. So I will, gotta go find another bolt for this. It's this one right here, which I had another one. I bought another one for this particular spot because it was acting funny before, but I don't know why it's not here still, or I don't know what happened or why this one's acting all funny. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's like stripped on this bottom part. So I'll go look for this bolt, get a new one of these, put it right there, make sure everything's fine, and then get the torque wrench and torque these down to spec, and then go take it to Randy's, put the exhaust thing on, and then we'll be on our way.
Tune in next time on the VR4.